If you are a mobile technician dealing with a Oppo A5 4G CPH2727 model with Qualcomm Snapdragon SIXS chipset that is pattern-locked, stuck on logo, or has a corrupted boot, the ISP, in-system programming method is probably the most reliable way to bypass these issues without removing the eMMC chip. Unlike standard USB flashing, the ISP method connects directly to the device's UFS chip. This guide provides the tested pinout and the technical details you need to perform repairs using tools like UFI Box, EasyJTag Plus, or Flash 64. What is ISP pinout? ISP in system programming allows us to have direct access to the eMMC/UFS memory with the device still soldered to the PCB, printed circuit board, using improper box/dongle, such as Flash 64 UFI, EasyJTag, or Medusa. By using the ISP pinout, we can perform operations such as a full dump, firmware update, boot repair, FRP removal, and security backup without requiring a chip-off procedure. That way, we reduce our time, costs, and risks of damaging the PCB. Using the ISP pinout allows you to perform important operations such as full memory dumps, read/write, firmware updates, and boot repairs, FRP, factory reset protection, removal, user data formatting, and security backups. Oppo A5 4G CPH2727 UFS ISP image. Remove the back panel carefully. The glue will be robust because the Redmi A7 Pro has high IP ratings, IP68/69. Take care when using a heat gun and cutting tool. To view the eMMC/UFS chip area, remove the motherboard shield. UFS data lines in the image. RXOP, receive positive. RXON, receive negative. TXON, transmit negative. TXOP, transmit positive. Pro tip, use a microscope or a high-quality magnifier to identify the points correctly. Do not depend solely on diagrams. Confirm the layout visually. Because UFS operates at much higher frequencies than eMMC, keep your jumper wires as short as possible, under 3 centimeters, to prevent connection errors. Required tools for ISP pinout. Make sure your table is set up with the right tools before jumping in. UFI Box, Flash 64, or EasyJTag. 0.1 millimeters, 0.3 millimeters jumper wire. Fine tip soldering iron. Isopropyl cleaner, IPA 99%. Soldering flux. Multimeter, for checking continuity. How to connect Oppo A5 4G CPH2727 ISP to the box. 1. Hardware preparation. Safety. Remove the battery to prevent electrical shorts or voltage surges. Cleaning. Use isopropyl alcohol to clean the ISP points on the PCB. Soldering. Securely jumper wires to the RST, SOP, SON, RXOP, and ROXON points. Verification. Use a multimeter to check for shorts between lines or to ground. 2. Box connection. Connect the jumper wires to your UFI Box, EasyJTag, or Flash 64 adapter according to the tool's specific pinout. Supply power to the board via the VCC/VCCQ pins or by connecting a USB cable to the device. 3. Software configuration. Open the eMMC/UFS tool software. Select Identify eMMC/UFS. If successful, the chip information, CD, user area size, will populate the log. Navigate to User Partition, Special Task. Select Reset FRP or Factory Reset to complete the operation.